What are the most effective ways to lose belly fat?
Belly fat, also known as abdominal fat, is not only a cosmetic concern but also a serious health risk. Excess abdominal fat is linked to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and other metabolic problems. Fortunately, there are scientifically proven ways to reduce belly fat safely and effectively. A balanced diet is the first step. Prioritize whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid sugary drinks, highly processed foods, and excessive refined carbohydrates, which contribute to fat accumulation. Controlled portion sizes are essential. Even modest calorie reduction can gradually reduce abdominal fat without harming your metabolism. Exercise is equally important. Combining cardio, such as running, cycling, or swimming, with strength training like planks, squats, and push-ups, is highly effective. Cardio burns calories and improves cardiovascular health, while strength training builds lean muscle mass, boosting metabolism and helping your body burn fat more efficiently, even at rest. Studies show that high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is particularly effective for targeting stubborn belly fat. Short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods push your body to burn more fat in less time. Lifestyle factors also play a key role. Quality sleep is crucial, as poor sleep increases hunger hormones and fat storage. Stress management through meditation, yoga, or deep breathing reduces cortisol levels, which are associated with abdominal fat accumulation. Staying hydrated and limiting alcohol intake also supports fat loss. Remember, losing belly fat is a gradual process, but with consistent exercise, healthy nutrition, and smart lifestyle habits, you can achieve a flatter, stronger, and healthier midsection. Your heart, metabolism, and overall fitness will benefit greatly, making this a transformation that goes far beyond appearance.